Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. When we say it, that the office of the citizen is the most important and significant office in the country, people think that we don't know what we are talking about. It is the citizens' pressure that has forced the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abbas Tajudeen, to withdraw the Counter Subversion Bill and other related draft legislations that he presented before the House of Representatives as a result of the protest, widespread public concern about that bill. You may recall that the Speaker of House of Representatives, Abbas Tajudeen, has withdrawn the Counter Subversion Bill and other related draft legislations following widespread public concern. It shows that when Nigerian people speak with one voice, even those in government will hear it very clearly, and they will come down from their high horse. Now, Tajudeen Abbas announced a change, a stepping down of that bill in a press statement issued by the Special Advisor on Media and Publicity, Musa Christian, on Wednesday. And the Speaker said that he was withdrawing this bill because he had extensive consultations with various stakeholders and careful assessment of the nation's current circumstances. So he withdrew it because of the pressure from Nigerians. So the politicians know that we, the people, put them in office. If we don't talk, they will take us for a ride. But if we talk, and make as many as possible talk, they will realize the significance of our united voices, and they will do the right thing. Now, the Counter Subversion Bill 2024 went viral on social media on August 13 after it scaled through the first reading and proceeded to the second. Now, this bill aims to impose stringent penalties on Nigerians who fail to recite the newly approved national anthem. Now, these people, Tajudeen Abbas, wanted to weaponize the law against Nigerians on the new national anthem. You know, there are many people who say they will not recite it. There are people who are protesting against it, but I don't know how many they are, but there are many people like that. I remember Aisha Yusufu is one of those who are vowed not to recite it. In fact, she says she's ready to go to jail than to recite the new national anthem. But you cannot legislate on national anthem using it as a weapon of imprisonment, as Tajudeen Abbas wanted to do. Even in the United States, where we borrow this presidential system of government, there are many people who challenges the American national anthem. There are those who, when they are singing the American national anthem, they will kneel down in opposition. Sportsmen, sportswomen, politicians. There are those who do it. And we have never heard that anybody was jailed in America because of his opposition to the American national anthem. But Tajudeen Abbas wanted to ensure that the new national anthem is enforced by fire by force. And Nigerians responded. It's not that there are already the new national anthem is being used all over the country. Okay? Even those who say they will not sing it, they are basically in a minority. So it doesn't really need such a draconian law. But Tajudeen Abbas, in his mind, thought that it need to be enforced. And to make matters worse, they put 5 million Naira fine and 5 to 10 years in prison, or both. Who does that? Not even the military has ever done something like this. And also, part of the legislation he brought was that if you abuse a politician or community leader, you can also be jailed for 10 years, 5 or 10 years, and pay a fine of 5 million Naira. So that would have been a weaponization of our free speech, because free speech is a right to call those you elected into office to order. Because you can't even explain what he meant by abuse. Because it can also mean that if you say that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the worst president Nigeria has ever seen, they could interpret it as an abuse of the president. If you say that a minister is the worst minister of finance, or you mention in particular, may say is the worst minister of finance in our history, they can turn it that is an abuse, and you will be jailed. And that is the kind of thing that Abbas could think about making a law on, despite the myriad of challenges facing this country that is looking for solution. But thank God for the office of the Nigerian citizen who bombarded him with their opposition, with attack, that made him to withdraw this bill. So, once again, this is congratulations to the citizens of Nigeria who occupy the office of the Nigerian citizen, the most important and significant office in Nigeria. The other day, I made a video where I was saying that the vote of confidence that was passed by the former heads of state during the Council of State meeting, that vote of confidence they passed on Bola Ahmed Tinubu is insignificant compared to the vote of no confidence that was passed on him by thousands and thousands of Nigerians that stormed the streets between August 1st and August 10th to express their opposition to the way he's running the country. Those are the citizens of Nigeria exhibiting and expressing their rights of the office of the citizens to tell him to change direction. That is the message that Tajudeen Abbas has also gotten in this his ill-informed bill that he has stepped down now for his own interests, because he was also jeopardizing his political future by being behind such a draconic bill. So at the end of the day, common sense has prevailed, and Nigerians have spoken, and Tajudeen Abbas has listened, and he has done the right thing. That's my take on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.